Hi guys, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. And I'm back to discuss Drupal again, which we discussed a little in the past from last week's video, and that was pretty much just learning how to run the website and stuff like that. But today we're going to use something called API, which is an application program interface. It's a set of functions and procedures allowing the creation of an application that access the featuring or data of an operating system. And to go into more detail, I picked the format through Chrome JSON formatter, which will allow you to do API. You also could pick Postmates, but I just wasn't about it. I felt like this was the easiest way to go. So what exactly does this do? So when you download this app into Chrome, it's going to take snippets of your code from your website. So all that means is, hey, this is my website. I added some new things to it from last week. I put a schedule, which is nice. I put my YouTube video up, and some other things that's new is I put some pictures of the professors, so now people can understand. Brian. There's Brian. IC 440. Everyone knows like the type of professor they're gonna get. So to go back to what this video is about, you see over here where it says Node 12. All I did was delete this and type in JSON. And when you do that, all the code pops up in Java, which is really nice, especially for a coder. They're going to understand like, hey, like if there's a problem, they could fix it this way, or I don't like the way my code looks, or it's pretty much just gives you more options of understanding your website, and it allows you to show that your website was built very organized and very easy and very efficient. So this week's video is pretty short, I would say. It's pretty much just downloading the JSON formatter, which is a JavaScript object notion, and it's a data interchange format, and you literally just go over here and you type in JSON, which I did. JSON API. That's pretty much it for this weekend. I will not be having a video next week because it's spring break, which is nice. I wish you guys all the fun in the world, especially if you're in college. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate me to comment on my YouTube page, because this is a very confusing topic in my opinion, probably the most confusing out of all of them. So that's pretty much it. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys later. D. Kufeld is out.